So now we're going to look at number 14 from practice 5-3. So George has to pay $30 in taxes for every $100 he earns. Last summer he earned $3,680. How much did he pay in taxes? So what I have to find is the amount he paid in taxes on an income of $3,680. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by setting up a proportion. So I'm going to put taxes on the top and money or earnings on the bottom. And I'm going to set up a proportion, I need two ratios. So I want to make sure that taxes go on the top for both of my ratios. So the first ratio is going to be 30 over 100, okay, is equal to some unknown value over 3,680. Okay, I can call that unknown value X. Okay, so now that I have my proportion, I can go ahead and solve. I'm actually going to use cross multiplication. Okay, so I'm going to do 100 times X, which is 100X, and I'm going to do 30 times 3,680. And when I multiply 30 times 3,680, I get 110,400. So my next step from here is I'm going to divide both sides by 100. And when I divide both sides by 100, I get X is equal to 1,104. So let's look at another way to solve this problem. Instead of cross multiplying, what I might want to do is figure out how do I move from one ratio to another. So I might find out what do I multiply 100 by to get to 3,680. And another way to see that is if I take 3,680 and then divide it by 100, okay, and if I keep going, okay, and I do 368 divided by 10, what I get is 36 8/10. And then I can take my 30, that means to get from 100 to 3,680, I multiply by 36 8/10. And then whatever I do on the bottom, I also want a D on the top. So if I multiply the bottom by 36 8/10, I multiply the top by 36 8/10. So I do 30 times 36 8/10, and I get 1,104.